If Rocket League is not launching on the Epic Games launcher, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide for anyone who clicks play and nothing happens, gets stuck on loading, or sees the game fail to open altogether. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then move on to a couple of deeper solutions if the issue keeps happening. And if this helps you get back into the game, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is restart the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes the launcher gets stuck in the background and Rocket League won't start properly until it's fully refreshed. To do this, close Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's not still running in your system tray. If needed, right-click the Epic icon and exit the launcher fully. Then open it again and try launching Rocket League one more time. If Rocket League still won't open, the next step is to restart your computer. A full restart clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and gives your system a fresh start. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it often works when games refuse to launch for no clear reason. After your PC boots back up, open Epic Games Launcher again and test Rocket League. If that still doesn't work, you'll want to clear the Epic Games cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and cause launcher problems, game loading issues, and general startup errors. To do this, first make sure Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. Then open File Explorer and go to the folder where Epic stores its Webcache. In many cases, you'll find this inside the Epic Games Launcher data folders. Look for a folder named Webcache and delete it. If you see multiple Webcache folders, remove those as well. Don't worry, Epic will rebuild these files automatically the next time it opens. After deleting the cache, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and sign in again if needed. Then try launching Rocket League. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue because it removes broken temporary data that may have been blocking the game from starting. If Rocket League still refuses to launch, the final step is to reinstall the game. This is the most time-consuming fix, but it can solve problems caused by missing files, damaged installation data, or a bad update. To reinstall, open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find Rocket League, and uninstall it first. Once it's removed, download and install it again from the Epic library. After the reinstall finishes, launch the game and check whether it opens normally. If the game still doesn't launch after all of that, you may also want to check for Windows updates, graphics driver updates, or any antivirus software that could be blocking the game. But in most cases, restarting the launcher, restarting your PC, clearing the Webcache folder, and reinstalling Rocket League will get the game working again. So to recap, the fix order is restart Epic Games Launcher, restart your computer, clear the Epic Webcache, and reinstall Rocket League if needed. Try these steps one by one, and after each one, test the game again so you know which fix solved it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games or Rocket League issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.